Let's see how you can actually create a WhatsApp chatbot for lead generation, and you can also use your same WhatsApp business existing phone number as well. So here I'm in a demo icon. First of all, you need to connect the WhatsApp business phone number right here. So if you're wondering how, click on channels option over here, and it will take you directly to settings channels where you can easily connect the WhatsApp right here. So here we have already connected a WhatsApp phone number right here, but if you're wondering how, click on learn more. Here we have the step-by-step guide on how to connect your WhatsApp phone number, or if you don't have one as well. So here you can even connect your existing WhatsApp business app phone number as well. So when you go through the steps, you can simply choose connect your existing WhatsApp business app and simply use the same phone number for the WhatsApp chatbot automations as well. So what happens is that when you use the same WhatsApp business phone number, you can connect the same phone number right here, and you can track conversation from the unified inbox, and you can also see the same conversation in your mobile WhatsApp business app as well. So that's a beautiful thing about connecting the same number right there. Businesses usually use this option so they can actually keep the same phone number for the WhatsApp automation and also for the personal or support options as well. All right, so once it is connected, you can actually build any sort of automation. So here we have actually a sample flow as well. So this one is created for this specific video. So here this is about providing a free training. So here it says, thanks for your reaching out. We help entrepreneurs, business owners with better systems, marketing and sales strategies. I have a few quick questions before I send the free training. So here we actually ask for their name and what type of business, what is the biggest challenge, and then how much they make per month, and also asking whether they actually whether they actually ready for the simple strategy that could help their business grow faster. Maybe yes, maybe not right now, and then we actually offer the specific training as well. So here, based on the responses right here, you can actually send different messages, follow-up messages as well. And when they reach this point, watch free training, you can also assign the chat to the agents as well, so they can jump in and talk with the customers as well. All right, so this is a very simple automation right here. So let's see how to build this for the WhatsApp right here. So here I'm in the demo icon. Go to the flows section over here, and let's create a new flow, and let me name this one as lead generation chatbot for a business coach. All right, so this is how the message look like. So let me copy this message over here and send the message, add content, text message. All right, and then we want to send them the message asking for their name. So here again, add content, this time get user data. We are going to collect specific customer details. So choose text and make sure to select their name. So let me choose full name. All right, remove the skip button as well. All right, so once they provide their name, the data will be saved, and you can go to the next step where we actually ask for other details. For example, what type of business do you run? So let me ask for the get user data again, and here click on edit. This time you have a multiple choice option. See, the agency, e-commerce, coaching, other business. So here we can provide them a multiple choice option over here, and here you can select existing field if they have. So here business structure, you can choose the existing field right here. Otherwise, you can also create a new field right here saying business type or something like that, and then click continue and save the field as well. But here let me simply choose the business structure field over here, and you can enter the options over here. So these are the options they have: agency, and press enter, and then e-commerce, press enter, and then coaching, press enter, and then local business right here, enter. So here we have 4 options, and here you can remove the skip button as well. So here if empty, the user will be forced to fill out this field. All right, so here we have different options. So when you send the next message, you can also customize the messages accordingly. So instead of using data saved, you can use this one. So if they choose agency, you can send a message. If they choose e-commerce, you can send a different message. So there is also another option right here, but in this case let me choose the comment data saved option over here, which will send the same message in regards of whatever the options they choose right here. All right, so now let me ask about the biggest challenge right there. All right, again choose get user data, biggest challenge, multiple choice, and let me see challenge. Here we don't have a field for that, so let me create a new one. So let me say biggest challenge. All right, I've created that one, and here you can choose any of these options. Getting leads, press enter, and here sales goals, press enter, and here let me say content marketing, press enter. Like this, you can actually add any options you want right here. Let me add this one as well, automation. All right, and let me say scaling. All right, all these options are added now, and here remove this key button again. All right, here again you have the option to send different messages according to the options they choose, but let's choose the data saved option, which will send the same message right there. So how much they are currently making per month. So let me add get user data, again the same thing, multiple choice. So income, so monthly income, let me choose this one. All right, so they had different options under 1k, and here 1 to 5k, and again 5 to 10k, and again they have 10k plus as well. All right, and here remove the skip button. All right, so here we are asking the monthly income, and the next question is about would you be open to a simple strategy. All right, so let me ask the same question right here. Add get user data, and again multiple choice, and here asking about the strategy session. So let me say anything related interested. So interested in chat. All right, so let me choose this option. So you can actually create any option fields as you like and use that right there, but just to save time I'm just using the existing ones right there, maybe, and here not right now. All right, and remove the skip button as well. For example, here if they choose yes, you can actually offer them the free call right there as well before providing the training as well, but in this case we are not going to do that, but there's also an option as well. All right, so let me send the free training for them. So let me send this one, and here, all right, all these options right here. All right, and here let me send this in a different message over here, and here, all right, access now and free training. So here you can simply upload the video in somewhere else or YouTube and simply add the link as well, but for here just let me add the website link just for the demo. All right, and here if you want to delay these messages, so here you can add the typing delay if you want as well. So here, since this is a longer message, you can add the typing delay as well. All right, so this is how the flow looks like. So that's the end of the flow as well. And here, as soon as they enter this message, the last message, you can also assign this chat to specific agents as well, so that they can jump in and talk with the customer as well. For example, actions. So at the end of this flow, you can assign this to specific agents as well. Assign conversation to admin. All right, so you can choose that option and simply assign the conversation to the admins as well. You can choose whatever the admins you want to assign as well. For example, let me assign to Henry Allen. All right, so this is now published as well. So you can actually activate this one through specific keywords, or you can also set up a specific QR code as well if you want, but let's set up a keyword right here. So the flow name is lead generation chatbot for business coach. So let me go to the keywords option over here and create a new keyword, and here let me say training. So when they send the keyword training, we want to trigger this specific flow. Which one? Lead generation chatbot for business coach. All right, so save it. So now this has been set. Make sure this is active as well. So this is active. All right, so now let's test how this actually works. So let me go back to the flow right here and open the flow. So let me share my phone screen, and here I'm in the WhatsApp, and let me send the keyword we set up, training. All right, so that should trigger this automation and send us the messages. So it says, hey there, thanks for reaching out. I have a few quick questions before I send you the free training. What's your name? So let me say my name is John Ken. All right, I provide the name, and the next question is asking about what type of business do you run. So here, since we selected the multiple choice option, it shows select from options as well. So let me choose one of these options, agency. All right, and then it simply asks about the biggest challenge. Again, multiple choice. Let me say content marketing. All right, and here again the current monthly revenue. So let me say 5 to 10k. All right, and finally it will simply ask, would you be open to seeing the strategy? So let me say yes, and again it goes to the next step, providing them the free training as well. Awesome. Based on I think I could really help. Here's the business free training. Here are the details, and they can simply tap on this link and access as well. So that's the end of the flow, and here we also assign the chat to the specific agent as well. From there they can jump in and talk with the customers as well. So now if you go to the unified inbox, you can track the conversation happened. So here inbox, where you can track conversation from all the support channels including the WhatsApp. So here this from the WhatsApp, and see it's assigned to Henry Allen, and here you can find all these chats happen right here, and here John Kent, and here you can find all the details they provided: biggest challenge, business structure, interested in chat, and the monthly income as well. So in one view they can see all these details and initiate the chat accordingly. So as soon as you send a message from here, the customer will receive it as well. For example, let me send a random message right here. I have sent it from the inbox. So if I share my phone screen, you see the customer will receive it as well. Simple as that. So that's a quick video on how you can easily build a simple WhatsApp lead generation chatbot. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.